What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing the slime smoothie challenge with my little brother. Hi. So let's go. Well, I'm going to be getting, some foam soap because it's a little rubber. Maybe some activator and some glue because I want it a little bigger. Pink and blue for my colors. And pink and blue. Oh no, glitter. And I also need a spoon and a cup. Well, I'm good. Okay guys, it's my turn. I'm gonna get foam soap. I'm gonna get red glitter and green glitter. And I'm also going to get green paint and orange paint. And I'm also going to get glue. Okay, so let's go. First I'm going to add my foam soap. I'm going to add my glue. Actually, yeah, glue. Wow. Okay, it's getting stretchier. Let's see. Very nice. I like it. Okay. Glue it. I'm going to just mix it in. Make this more stretchier. Okay, guys. So I think I'm going to split it in half right now. And I'm going to add my pink one first. Yeah, I'm done. It's getting a little tougher, but yeah, stretchy. I'm just gonna add my foam soap in right now. Okay, I'm adding my pink. I want it pastel, but hey, you know, maybe I'm not. My hands are getting more slipperier because of the foam soap, but I don't really care. I'm glad I got some foam soap. It's getting a little tough from the paint. It's getting a little sticky. I'm just gonna, mix it. No, mix. Wait. Oh, that's a lot. Oops. Hello? Yay. Finally, the spotlight is on me. Well, as you can see, I'm still have my paint in, kind of hard. So I'm going to add my glue in. Hopefully it works. Ooh, that was a lot. Well, hopefully it doesn't melt it. Oh yeah, it's fine. I have activator. Okay. Mine's getting away more stickier. Actually, it's not. It's getting way more stretchier. Actually, it's ripping. You know. Good thing we did get a timer for this. Okay, the glue is helping. It's just a little sticky, but it's fine. Oh no. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, and that was my pink one. Oh no, let me add the glitter. I don't know if this is sticking to my hand so much. The activator. Add some glitter. Maybe you'll activate it. Can I borrow yours? It's a challenge. Great. Use your glitter. You could activate it. Okay. What's this green thing in here? Ew. Okay guys, sorry, but we kind of had to cut off a little bit, but let me do my swirl. Let me add my glitters. If you're wondering why I'm only adding pink, because look how much blue glitter I used. I don't want to waste it. So nice. Now for my little brother. Wait. So I did orange and green. Okay, let me just do your swirl for you. You're horrible at this.